Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I know, babyface. As y'all know, I don't do YouTube full time yet. So I had an interview, so I had to clean up. Today we're gonna be unboxing of a Supreme item that was won on a Whatnot live stream. I do not recall who the live stream was from. It was one of those just random giveaways, and got the dub. Right? I wish I had the same luck in sneakers, but we all know how that goes. As you see, today I'm wearing something more casual. Like I said, I had to clean up. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is a Supreme. I don't really have Supreme like accessories, so I don't really know what's inside the bag. The only Supreme item I really own are my Air Force, and that's it. I have a lot more Babe stuff than Supreme. So as you can see, this is at Brothers Closet _. That's the Instagram, and bam, another Supreme logo. I do have a couple box logo on my door. If you guys would like a room tour, this is my room in my parents' house. If you like a room tour, let me know down in the comments. So the first thing in the item is this rain poncho, Supreme rain poncho. Be prepared for the storm. One size fits most. Adjustable hood, made in the USA. Honestly, I'm a big guy that's big on using their stuff. So if you want to see me stand out in the rain or use this in some pictures, let me know down below. Again, check out my Instagram. And the second item, Supreme bubbles, made in Germany. These are very kid-like. So this says, oh yeah, it does work. As you see, they do work. The Hypebeast bubbles, pretty cool, very kid-like. I like the colors on it. It's gonna very stand out well on my shelf. So yeah, this is gonna be a very short video. Like I said, it's just comes with the Supreme box logo, the poncho, rain poncho, the bubbles, and this is the Instagram. Again, go ahead and follow them. I will be doing a photo shoot in this. I just need the rain to come down on us. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. I'm gonna try to answer most of the comments that I can. And if you want to see any unboxing, any brands you would like me to introduce, any items that you want me to review and use, honestly, I actually like the Supreme bubbles. They're gonna look good on the shelf. Well, thank you guys, and have a blessed day.